Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to track your progress towards financial goals. Keeping tabs on your financial progress is key to building momentum. Bright helps you to stay motivated by showing exactly how close you are to reaching your goals. Start by opening the Bright app and logging into your account. From the dashboard, you're going to tap the Goals tab. This is where you're going to find any active financial goals that you've already set, like saving for a vacation, or paying off a credit card, or just building an emergency fund. If you haven't created one yet, tap Create New Goal and follow the prompts to set up a target amount, deadline, and funding method. Bright will then start tracking it for you. Once your goals are set, Bright automatically updates your progress by pulling data from your linked accounts and saving habits. Each goal will show a progress bar, a percentage complete, and sometimes even a timeline forecast based on your current contribution rate. To see more details, tap into a specific goal. Here you can adjust your monthly contributions, update the deadline, or pause the goal if needed. Bright will also send notifications to remind you of your progress and alert you if you're falling behind. You can revisit your goal anytime under the Goals tab to check in, make edits, or even celebrate small wins. Tracking your progress visually keeps you engaged and motivated to stay on track. If this helped you feel more in control of your finances, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Bright tutorials that make finance simple. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.